In front of me is OPPO Reno13 FS 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can locate all your downloads. You need to begin by finding an app called Files. It's already on your OPPO device. When you find it, click on it. Then select Allow in the pop-up and click on Downloads category over here. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!